how can we actually assign an icon to the projects which we create in UiPath Studio. It's absolutely simple. Go back to the UiPath Studio. If your project is already created, you just have to click on this button which says settings. Here you would have options such as to change the name, description, and you have this option which says package icon. You have to click on this folder, select any icon of your choice. It could be .ico, .jpeg or .jpeg. All these formats are mentioned here. Hit open and you would notice that icon is now available. You have to just simply click OK. Now whenever you are trying to publish the project to the orchestrator, you would see the same option is available as the package icon. This is exactly the same. We just have to specify the icon path here. Right now, if I simply go and click on this button which says publish, remote automation project is published to the orchestrator. Now let me come back to my UiPath assistant and look for the project which we want to trigger, which is the remote automation, and you could see that I am able to get the icon which we have specified. So that is how you specify icon in the UiPath project. More tips and tricks are available on the channel. Thank you for watching and happy automation.